Actress of the Year goes to...
Dito na lang po kami. Thank you po.
I want to also thank ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to mark this film. And of course, to our director, Ethan Vargas, and co-stars Joshua, Julia, and the rest of the cast of the Happy for You for making this film such a joy to shoot. Napakasaya namin shoot yung video na yun, and I'm so glad to be here because of that. I also want to thank, of course, my loved ones and my family and friends who have held my hand every time I got so anxious about the role. Gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung nagsisimula po ako mag-artista, pangarap ko na po ay maging parte ng maraming pelikula. And I think that this is the sign na paulit-ulit ko na dito pa yung mga pangarap ko. So,